Side marker light assemblies are an essential component of any vehicle's lighting system. These lights are typically found on the sides of the vehicle and are designed to help drivers see the edges of the car, especially in low light conditions. They also serve as an important safety feature, as they help other drivers on the road to see the vehicle more clearly. Side marker light assemblies come in a variety of sizes and styles to fit different types of vehicles, and they are easy to install with basic tools. Whether you need to replace a damaged side marker light or want to upgrade your vehicle's lighting system, there is a side marker light assembly that is perfect for your needs. 1. FXC LED Clearance Light for Truck Car Trailer. The FXC LED Clearance Light is a waterproof and durable product that can be used as clearance lamps, side markers or identification lights for various vehicles. It features 3 LED lenses that offer extreme bright light and comes in 3 colors: amber, white and red. The product is easy to install and its universal design makes it compatible with all cars, SUVs, pickups, trucks, trailers and boats. The lamp is SAE P2PC and DOT approved, and the sealed light ensures waterproof protection. Each item undergoes strict quality control before shipping. 2.10 pieces LED trailer marker lights. This LED trailer marker lights package includes 10 pieces of lights in red and amber colors. They are easy to install with screws provided and suitable for various vehicles such as trucks, trailers, RVs, etc. The lights are waterproof and can withstand exposure to sunlight and rainwater. They are long-lasting and made of quality LED and plastic materials. 3. TMH50 PCs 3/4 inch amber LED. TMH50 PCs 3/4 inch amber LED mini round miniature side marker lights are perfect for trucks, lorries, boats, pickups, buses, and RVs. The pack includes 50 PCs of 3/4 inch amber light with amber lens round bullet miniature side marker. Each light has a brightness of 60 lumen with 3 PCs high-quality SMD LED which have a 100,000 hours lifetime. The lights are PC lens, waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof. The product comes with a free high-quality rubber cover which makes installation easy without any cracks forever. 4. Nightlight TL33 LED marker lights. The Nightlight TL33 LED marker lights are a set of 4 waterproof, surface-mounted lights that can be used as front, rear, or side marker lights on any 12V vehicle. Upgraded with 3 quality Piranha LEDs, the lights have a wide lighting angle and high light intensity. The micro-reflex faceted reflector design adds to the light output and appearance, while the sealed lens and housing make them durable in all weather conditions. Installation is simple with just a black and red wire to connect and flathead screws provided. 5. Partsam 5 PCs 2 inches red round sealed clearance marker light. 4 LED Partsam offers a 5-pack of red LED sealed 2 inches round clearance side marker lights, along with grommets and pigtails for easy installation. The flush mount lights are waterproof, submersible and serve as either side marker or clearance lights. The 2-wire connection makes installation simple, with black being the negative and red being the positive. These lights are perfect replacements for incandescent lights, with dimensions of outer diameter 2.5, inner diameter 2 inches, high diameter 0.75 inches, with grommet, and drilling holes of 2-5/16. 6. Nightlight TL14 LED marker clearance light. The Nightlight TL14 LED marker clearance light is an excellent choice for those looking for a high-quality marker light for their vehicle. Each light comes with 6 high-intensity LEDs that output a bright 120 LM light, making it perfect for use as a marker light. The light is also decently sealed to prevent any damage, and the installation process is simple and straightforward. The light is widely used and is ideal for most 12 volts trailers, buses, trucks, RVs, boats, and more.